So welcome guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Concordia and this is another video, another makeup tutorial which is going to be inspired by this Ankara print that I have on my hair. And I just thought about doing this, so I created this eyeshadow look. Or you like African prints and you want to see what you can do with them, then this tutorial. So keep on watching. And so first things first is to apply a transition shade, and then we're going in with this light blue shade, and it's so pretty and I liked it. And we're applying this as a transition shade also, but we're going darker. So we're going darker and darker with the blue shade, and then we're stamping this so we can have more pigment to work with. And then, as I said, we're going darker, but I'm applying this at the outer V of my eyes, and then whatever that's left on my brush, I'm blending that with. And then we're going in with this yellow shade to just connect the whole look together, and I'm blending everything so there are no harsh lines. And then for my lid shade, I'm going in with this beautiful blue color. It has shimmer on it, and then we are applying this all over our lid. We are not cutting the crease with concealer, we're just going straight into the shade on our lid, and I'm blending everything again so there are no harsh lines. Okay, apply more of the yellow shade if you think you need more, and then we're going to prime our face. We're going to color correct. I'm using the Early Girl Pro Conceal Orange Corrector, and I'm mixing it with another shade in the shade Toffee, and I'm going to blend everything together using a brush, or you can use a sponge if you want to. Then after blending, I'm going to apply foundation. So I decided to go darker with my foundation, and I'm blending everything using a sponge, and then we're going to highlight my face. I'm going to highlight my face using the Early Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Toffee. So I highlighted my forehead, under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and I'm going to wait for it to dry down a little bit before blending. So I'm blending my highlights now. Then after blending, I used the pressed powder I used as a transition shade to set my concealer first before setting it with a setting powder from Makeup Revolution. So I'm setting everywhere that I applied concealer, and then I'm going to contour my face. I'm going to contour under my cheekbones, my forehead, the bridge of my nose. And then I am going to line my eyes and apply mascara on my natural lashes, and I applied my false lashes off camera, and then I'm going to line my lips. I'm using this brown pencil to line my lips before using my lipstick shade. And Now I'm going to highlight my face, highlight the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and setting my makeup using the Makeup Revolution setting spray. Wait for it, guys. This is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Till next time.